Hello people, welcome to the new sewing hub. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to sew this designer sleeve on your next project. So watch this video to the end, and if you're new or a returning viewer, you are highly welcomed. Remember to click the subscribe button and also like this video, and if you have any other interesting topic that we'll talk about, just drop it in the comment section. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to cut a designer shirt. So I have my chalk, my scissors and my measuring tape. Is very necessary for this video. So let's get to the video. So the first thing that we're going to do is, remember, here now we are going to show you guys how to cut a sleeve. So here now I've already folded it into, like, it's now for 1 2 3 4, and here is the closed part. So when you have folded yours, so the next thing you are going to do is now measure 9 inches. That's here now to here now, this open side to here now will be 9 inches. Then for the armhole cover and everything to be 5 inches. So this is actually how they do use the curve. This is actually how they do the curve. This is actually how they do the curve. Now for the length of the sleeve is 15 inches. The length of the sleeve is 15 inches, but due to the design, okay, let me explain later. This is actually 15 inches. That's for the length of the sleeve, but due to the design that we are going to add to it, we are now going to reduce the length. We are going to reduce the length to probably, we will be taking out 3 inches. No, we'll be taking out 3 inches from the length, but we'll also add like half inches. We'll be taking out 3 inches from the length of the sleeve. So now what we are having is 12 inches, but in these 12 inches we are also going to add just half of an inch. Just let's say we want to remove this, that's the half inches is for the sleeve and everything. So I added half inches. This is actually a 3/4 sleeve actually. So this is it, guys. This is the 3 inches. This is the 3 inches, but we added half of an inch for the sewing allowance. So now what we are going to do next is we are going to found the round sleeve. The round sleeve is 14 inches. Instead of measuring, you will now be measuring there. That is 7 inches. So we add an extra one for the sewing, making it a total of 8. So I'm going to join it to this end. Something like this. So let's get to the cotton. The result from the sleeve that we cut out. This is actually the result, guys. Have you seen how the shape is? This shape now, let me just tell you guys a secret here now. This shape now, it makes it like that shoulder rump that some clothes do have, something like that. It removes it. If you cut it exactly this shape, it will remove it. For the extra sleevelets that will be cutting out, we'll be cutting now. This time around, we'll be cutting. Remember, this is 2 now. That's for the 2 sleeve. I'll be cutting 3.5 of an inch That's for each of them. This 3 inches, let me make it 3.5 inches. See guys, it's 3.5 inches. So we now cut it. I'm also going to show you guys the procedure on how I made the sleeve. So guys, that's one for each and one for the other. So but remember, should be more than 14 because my own is less. So that's what the thing is. So now 2, 1, 2. So let's get to the video. So guys, for the sleeve, this is actually the sleeve. Remember, the this is actually the normal length of the sleeve. So we then like made it into 2, that's 3.5 inches, as you can see in this video. It is 3.5 inches. So what we are going to do now, we are going to like find the center. So now like folded it into 2, then we'll use our scissors and notch it a little bit. So if you also have an available if you have a nipple light, you can also iron it, but since there is no light, so we then like use our hand to get something here so that we can sew it. So after that, we then opened it. At least we are seeing a little sign of the line. So now like, have you seen it? I opened it, then I also follow this pressing iron, this one here now, and I also fold it. So I'll get that center that I notched. So this is actually where I notched. Have you seen that little shape there? So guys, this is after getting the shape. So the next thing I did was I marked out 1 inches. That's from that notch to here. I marked out 1 inch, and here, and from this other end I marked out 1 inch. That's making it a total of 2 inches. Then from this notch, now let me measure the length that I'll be sewing. So for this length, I measure them 2 inches for the length, as you can see in this video. So from here now, let me make a recap. From here now to here, I measured 1 inches. As from that notch to here, I measured 1 inches. Okay, let me make it a bit bolder since you guys aren't seeing it very well. Okay, we've seen it. That's from this notch now to here, I measured 1 inches. That's from this notch to this other end, I measured 1 inches. That's making it a total of 2 inches. Then for the length of what I'll be sewing, I make it 2 inches, as you can see in this video. This is the length here. I made it 2 inches, as you can see in this video right now. So the next I'm going to be doing is I'm going to sew an triangular shape. Remember, this is the center. This is actually the center. I'm still like seeing the line, but you have a standby press now, you can iron so that it's more visible. This is actually the center. I can see it's more visible. So although it's not that visible on my camera, so this is what I'll be doing. I'll be now sewing my sewing machine like that triangular shape. Make sure your own is triangular. See what I'll be doing. So I get to the center. When I got to the center, I switched it so that I also sew and stop at this other edge. Remember, I've already sewed this part. I'm going to sew and stop here also. So guys, this is we are done with the sewing parts. So let me just cut the thread. So I've already cut the thread. So now this is what we have gotten so far, guys. I'm sorry for this thing. I'm not comfortable here. So as you don't do and finish now, I'll just trim them. So you can't even see what I'm doing. I just want to like trim out this triangular shape, although I give a little gap from my stitches, and it's more visible now. Give a little gap from my stitches. Don't cut very close to this thing so that it won't tear off or something. So after that, you then have to like fold it out. Have you seen it? Have you seen? We have gotten a little shape here now. we are going to use our iron, our scissors actually, sorry guys, and then bring it out. Same thing here. Okay, this side now, also like make adjustments here. So guys, this is what we have gotten so far. If you are a new viewer, a returning viewer, kindly click the subscribe button guys. So this is actually what we have gotten now guys. So now let's make use of our pressing iron. We are going to like iron it now. So guys, this is the result that we have gotten. We have already ironed it. So guys, the next thing that we did was I got a black fabric, although it's not that black, but it's manageable. Like we can use it to achieve that particular design that we actually wanted. So we now sew something like a belt that, but it's not actually belt that is not up to half of an inch. So we are going to like sew it into two. So we are done with the first sewing. We are now like trimming it, although don't trim it very close to your stitches. So this is the second one. Okay, we are done with that. Remember to stitch it so that you'll be able to like turn it out. So we are now cutting it. So we'll now get another, okay, this is the two. So we now got another color because we'll be making use of two colors. So we also actually sorry oh wait till the talk. So we actually got another fabric and also repeated that same process that we did at first. So this is the trimming and all that. So after that, I now had to like bring an iron, although you can also make use of a broom, so I didn't have to like turn it out. I'll just do this thing. Sorry for that. So in total, I sewed for like 2 black and 2 ash. So now let's iron it. So when we are ironing it, we are going to iron it this way. Now. This part now will stay hidden. So we'll just do it to all of them. So guys, after the ironing, this is actually what I meant by this place will be hidden. Actually, this is what I meant by why this one now will be the outer part, while here now will be the inner part of it. So the next thing we are going to do guys is we are going to like make it this edge now that will just be like this thing now, we make it to be hidden. So see how we are going to do it. We will get our scissors and then like push it in a bit, then we will now sew it just this way now. You push it in, remember I cut all of them 5 of an inch, 5 inch each. That's for the 2 colors. Now have you seen it? Is now it's already hidden. Have you seen it? Now just going to like stitch it just small, then we are now good to go. So guys, after I'm already done with the folding and everything, so I then have to like this very one now that I ironed, like can you remember now? So I then had to like fold it into two. I had to like fold into two. That's from this edge now that I had already sewn. So I then had to like use my scissors on it and give it a notch. That's this notch now will now intersect with this center line. So this is how I marked it. This one is not, this is actually the one that I will be sewing. This one is also the one that I will be sewing. So it's not inclusive. So this is the one that I will be adding it. 1 2 3 4 5. So this is how it will be going. Okay, first of all, before I show you that, this is how I marked it. So the center, I marked them the center the center of the sleeve actually. So I then had to like measure like from the center now. So I've seen in this video, this is 5 of an inch, this is 5 of an inch. So at the 2.5 of an inch, I then had to like mark it. That's 2.5 inch. That here is also 2.5. That's from here now to here is 2.5 inch. Then from here to here is 2.5 inch. Same thing here now. From here now to here, from this center now to this place that I marked is 2.5 inch. Then from here to here is also 2.5 inch. So this is how I'll be placing it. So this is actually the first one. Then I'll place this other color. Then I'll also place black again. Black will be 3. And this, I'll also place this one here. And then I'll place black here. So this is how it will be. Now this is the next thing that I'll be doing. Remember, it will be facing this way. After I'm done sewing, everything will just face this way. Okay. Let me use this other side. Let me use this other side. So this is how it will be. It will be facing this way. So because of that, I'll then have to like change this setting so that it will be facing this way. So after I'm done sewing, it will just be facing this side. So this is actually I'm going to do now. I've already showed you guys how I did it. So for this now, I'll just place it this way now. This place now that has joining, remember this place is smooth. This place that has joining, I will just place it this way so that when I'm done sewing it, when I like open it this way now, it will now face like this, something like this. So now let's get to the video. So first of all, we'll be starting from the center so that you won't miss it or anything. Make sure you set it very well before you start your sewing. Seems like I will short this one a little bit. I noticed that the 3.5 inch is small, so I had to like cut it a little. So now it's like notch it the center. It's very necessary. So after the notching, and I had to like bring my sleeve. Make sure it's touching the edge. Make sure it's actually equal. So I had to like starting now. So this is how. Remember to like stick it. So after I've already gotten to this other thing. Remember this side that I stitched is facing the upper side. And also remember this row. This row actually. So you just have to like place black and again. Just this way. Remember my sewing is half of an inch. So guys, this is the result that we've gotten so far. So stay tuned and remember to click the video and subscribe. This is actually how it looks like.